Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
If Windows 7 keeps starting in safe mode, you can fix it quickly. Restart the computer and press F8 before the Windows logo appears. Choose Start Windows normally if that option is available on screen. If the F8 option did not appear, sign into Windows and proceed to the next steps. These steps will use built-in tools so you avoid reinstalling or losing files. Follow each instruction carefully to restore normal startup behavior and full device functionality. Open the Start menu and type msconfig into the search box exactly as shown. Press Enter to launch system configuration and accept any admin prompts that appear on screen. Click the Boot tab to view your boot options and settings. Locate the Safe Boot checkbox and uncheck it to disable Windows Safe Mode boot behavior. Click OK, then choose Restart when prompted so the change takes effect and Windows 7 starts in its normal mode. If Safe Mode persists, open Command Prompt as administrator to remove the boot option. Type bcdedit/delete a value current safe boot and press Enter to clear the safe boot setting. If that command fails, use System Restore to return Windows 7 to a restore point before the problem started. Open Control Panel, choose Recovery, then launch System Restore and follow the prompts to pick a restore point. Restart the computer after either method and verify that Windows 7 boots normally without safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.